Have you ever been on a shoot with no budget for professional lights, staring at a dimly lit scene that feels lifeless? Believe me, I've been there. One time I was shooting an emotional interview in a tiny, poorly lit space with no fancy gear. So I grabbed a lamp, a small piece of whiteboard, and positioned my subject near a window. The result? A warm, intimate setup that made the story come alive. That's the power of lighting. It can elevate your story, even on the smallest budget. Today, I'm sharing 3 simple lighting hacks to help you create professional-looking, emotionally charged videos without breaking the bank. Before we dive in, let me tell you about a resource that will take your visuals and storytelling to the next level. My free Secrets to Making Unscripted Videos workshop is packed with techniques to craft visuals that resonate. And if you're ready to master every aspect of storytelling, my Start with Story, End with Wow Master course will guide you step by step. Links are in the description, so please don't miss out. Okay, back to why lighting matters in storytelling. Lighting isn't just about making your subject visible, it's about shaping emotion and guiding your audience's experience. Here's how lighting transforms storytelling. Warm lighting evokes intimacy, comfort, and joy. Cool lighting conveys tension, sadness, or reflection. High contrast adds drama and intrigue, pulling your audience into the story. But poor lighting, it can pull your audience out of the moment. Even the best script or most compelling footage can fall flat if the lighting feels off. That's why it's critical to use lighting intentionally to enhance your narrative. Okay, let's get practical with 3 budget-friendly hacks. Number 1, use natural light. Position your subject near a window for soft, flattering light. If the sunlight is harsh, diffuse it with a curtain, a bed sheet, or maybe a shower curtain liner. Here's why it works. Natural light is dynamic and beautiful, adding an organic, cinematic feel to your scenes. Golden hour, just after sunrise or before sunset, is especially magical, creating soft, glowing effects. Number 2, DIY your diffusion. Clip parchment paper, a white t-shirt, or wax paper in front of your lamp, or ring light to soften shadows. Diffuse light eliminates harsh edges, creating a smooth, professional look that feels natural and inviting. All right, number 3, let's talk about practical lights. Use everyday items like lamps, string lights, or even candles within your frame. These add depth and texture while lighting your subject. Practical lights make your scene feel authentic and immersive, drawing your audience into the story's world. So if you're loving these tips, my free Secrets to Making Unscripted Videos workshop dives deeper into crafting visuals that resonate with your audience. And if you want to master storytelling from start to finish, my Start with Story, End with Wow Master course is your complete roadmap. Links are in the description. Grab them today. So why do these hacks work for all creators? No matter what kind of videos you create, these hacks will elevate your visuals. If you're a wedding videographer, use natural light to highlight tender emotional moments like the first dance or a heartfelt toast. If you're a documentary filmmaker, practical lights can make interviews feel authentic and intimate. Business creatives, DIY diffusion gives product shots or testimonials a polished professional feel without expensive studio lights. Lighting isn't just about technical precision, it's about storytelling. These hacks ensure your visuals support your narrative and connect with your audience. The magic of lighting is its ability to shape how your audience feels. For example, a softly lit close-up creates trust and intimacy. It's perfect for heartfelt interviews. High contrast shadows create tension, ideal for mystery or drama. A warm glow from practical lights like string lights evokes nostalgia or celebration. Lighting is your silent storyteller. When paired with strong visuals and sound, it creates an emotional experience your audience will never forget. Once you've mastered the basics, Experiment with colored gels to shift the mood of the scene, backlighting to add depth and separate your subject from the background, bounce cards, or even a whiteboard to naturally fill in shadows. The key question to ask is, what emotion am I trying to evoke, and how can lighting enhance that feeling? Ready for my takeaway? Lighting isn't just about making your videos look good, it's about telling a story your audience can feel. With simple tools and intentional choices, you can evoke emotion, create depth, and guide your viewers through an unforgettable experience. No matter your budget, you have the power to shape the mood, tone, and the impact of your story. By mastering these lighting hacks, you're not just enhancing your visuals, you're elevating your storytelling. The light you use is a reflection of the emotion you want to share. So take these techniques, experiment, and let your creativity shine. The best stories don't come from perfect tools. They come from creators who use what they have to make something meaningful. Let's light the way to better storytelling together. Thanks for watching.